Good morning from the porch. Here is Truck Driving Man. I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas. Was a little place called Hamburg Dan. I heard that jukebox playing a song about a truck driving man. Well, pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. The waitress just brought me out some coffee. I thanked her but called her again. I said that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. Well, pour me out another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. I climbed back aboard my old semi, and then like a flash I was gone. I got them old truck wheels a-rolling. I'm on my way to San Antonio. Well, pour me out another